To fight winter's fury, you need a force of nature. Arm yourself with the ION Plus 13-inch cordless snow shovel from Snow Joe. Perfect anywhere power is at a premium. ION Plus features the latest in snow clearing technology to get more of the white stuff out of your way this winter. Combining the power of electric with cordless convenience, 24V is driven by Snow Joe's exclusive 24-volt ION Plus lithium-ion battery system to deliver up to 24 minutes of rechargeable battery runtime. Weighing less than 14 pounds for maximum maneuverability, 24V-SS13 can shred up to 300 pounds of snow per minute, while the dual-handle design provides back-saving comfort and control. Equipped with a heavy-duty 2-blade paddle auger, Snow Joe throws snow up to 20 feet away, clearing a 13-inch wide by 6-inch deep path with each pass. And the durable scraper blade at the base of the unit lets you clear to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. And when the work is done, simply plug the battery pack back in again so it's recharged and ready for the next snowfall. Best of all, it's backed by Snow Joe's complete 2-year warranty for reliable performance season after season. So blast past the limits of the extension cord this winter and go with Joe, the 24V-SS13 24-volt 4-amp-hour cordless snow shovel from Snow Joe. Get equipped.